Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures buried beneath your feet? In today's video, we are diving into the best multi-frequency metal detectors 2025. Top 5 versatile choices for various terrains. Whether you are searching on the beach, in the forest, or even shallow water, these metal detectors are built to perform with precision and power across multiple environments. Each model is packed with advanced features to help you detect faster, dig smarter, and discover more. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Tooomplus Metal Detector, a feature-packed and user-friendly device built for all skill levels and terrains. This model offers 5 professional detection modes to tackle various search needs. Whether you are scanning for all metals, using disk mode to ignore unwanted targets, locking in specific metals via memory mode, hunting for jewelry minus ferrous metals, or zeroing in on a precise location with pinpoint mode, this detector has it all. It boasts an IP68 waterproof 9.8-inch search coil, capable of finding coins up to 10 inches deep and larger objects at even greater depths, making it ideal for use in wet sand or shallow water. Designed with convenience in mind, its collapsible cam lock system, screwless main head, and quick 3-minute assembly mean you can start detecting with minimal setup. The large, backlit display ensures easy readability in bright sunlight or low light, while silicone buttons and an ergonomic soft elbow rest add comfort for extended use. Adjustable from 17.7 to 49.6 inches, it fits both adults and children, and its 5 sensitivity levels let you fine-tune performance based on ground conditions. Completing the package are premium accessories, including a headset, a durable digger shovel, and a multifunctional carrying bag, making the Tooomplus Metal Detector a thoughtful gift or dependable companion for your next outdoor adventure. Taking the 4th spot is the Ulhund Metal Detector, a high-performance device tailored for both beginners and professional treasure hunters. Engineered with an upgraded digital signal processing chip and a 10-inch search coil, this detector delivers significantly enhanced accuracy and detection range. A larger coil means higher sensitivity, allowing users to cover more ground in less time while reliably identifying coins, relics, and other metal objects. Ideal for beachgoers and outdoor explorers, it features an IP68 waterproof stem and coil, making it perfect for use in shallow water, sand, soil, or even wooded terrain. The control box, however, remains non-waterproof. The Ulhund detector stands out with 4 search modes. All metal mode detects all types of metals. Disk mode filters out unwanted items. Notch mode lets you accept or reject specific categories, and pinpoint mode precisely locates your target. Designed for comfort, it offers a lightweight, ergonomic build with an adjustable stem ranging from 45 to 60 inches, an anti-slip handle, and an armrest that reduces fatigue during long sessions. Whether you are detecting in a backyard or on a remote hiking trail, this detector is ready to perform. A sturdy shovel is included for digging ease, and the overall construction includes premium ABS plastic for durability. With its broad appeal and reliable quality, the Ulhund Metal Detector makes for a thoughtful gift or a smart investment for anyone ready to explore hidden treasures. At number 3, we have the Minelab Equinox 900 Metal Detector, a flagship model known for its cutting-edge technology and unmatched versatility across all terrains. Designed with Minelab's revolutionary multi-IQ simultaneous multi-frequency technology, it allows you to detect all metals in all soils, all the time. You can also choose from 6 single frequencies when targeting specific materials. This feature alone makes the Equinox 900 stand out for professional treasure hunters who demand precision. With a fully waterproof build, it can be submerged up to 16 feet deep, enabling underwater detection of coins, gold, silver, jewelry, and more without worry. The Equinox 900 offers 4 preset modes: park, field, beach, and gold, tailored to different target and ground types. Whether you are exploring a cluttered urban area or searching mineral-rich ground, this metal detector adapts seamlessly. It also features 119-point target ID accuracy and adjustable audio controls, so you can confidently distinguish valuable items from trash. Enhancing usability even further are a built-in flashlight and vibration in the hand grip, extending your search well beyond daylight hours. Made from durable plastic, metal, and lightweight carbon fiber, the shaft collapses to just 24 inches and weighs only 2.8 pounds, making it easy to carry in a backpack. Bundled with low-latency wireless headphones, the Minelab Equinox 900 is a high-performance, travel-friendly option for serious metal detecting enthusiasts. Next on our list is the VVinRC 13-inch metal detector, a powerful and efficient tool built for users who demand accuracy and performance in their metal detecting adventures. Its standout feature is the large 13-inch waterproof double D search coil, which enables deeper electromagnetic penetration and covers more ground with each sweep. This coil design not only increases depth but also offers improved ground balance and precise pinpointing, making it a reliable choice for detecting metals in various terrains, including sand, soil, and shallow water. The VVinRC detector offers 3 professional search modes to suit different needs. The All Metals mode alerts you to every kind of metallic object, while the Disc mode helps filter out unwanted low-value metals like iron. The Dedicated Pinpoint mode simplifies the search process by locking onto the target with increasing volume as you approach the object. Enhancing the user experience is an intuitive, backlit LCD screen that provides frequency data, depth estimates, and sensitivity adjustments, all visible even under bright sunlight. The device includes a unique pinpoint button that requires only a single press to maintain focus on a target, unlike other models that require constant pressure. For added convenience, it supports wired headphones, which is especially useful in noisy environments like beaches. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, the VVinRC metal detector combines deep detection, intuitive controls, and high-end functionality, making it an excellent tool for serious treasure hunting. Taking the top spot is the Pancky metal detector, a feature-rich and beginner-friendly device that offers professional-grade performance wrapped in an intuitive design. Engineered with a powerful second-generation DSP chip, this detector delivers a 25% boost in detection speed, sensitivity, and accuracy compared to conventional models. With 5 versatile detection modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, it allows users to customize their search for various valuable targets while effectively ignoring unwanted junk. The upgraded chip enhances your chances of finding hidden treasures like coins, jewelry, and relics without wasting time. One of its key highlights is the large backlit LCD display, which offers multi-angle viewing and clearly presents all essential data such as target type, depth, detection mode, and sensitivity levels. This display, coupled with silicone buttons, ensures comfortable and responsive operation even in low-light conditions or nighttime searches. The IP68 waterproof search coil allows for detecting in shallow waters, making it ideal for beach and river exploration. The ergonomic design, including an adjustable length from 47.3 to 55.2 inches, a lightweight frame of just 2.4 pounds, anti-slip handle and comfortable armrest, ensures fatigue-free detecting sessions. The Pancky kit also includes premium accessories like a steel shovel, high-quality headphones, carry bag, and batteries, everything you need to start your treasure hunting journey right out of the box. Whether you are exploring during a vacation or embarking on a new hobby, the Pancky metal detector is your ultimate exploration companion.